player when it came to game, but got bitched in a cinch when it came to Jane. I can't explain deep breaths that I take in her presence. Fond recollections connect to every ounce of her essence. I love her till she joined with the herb above her. Love so strong it can't be wrong for her to share with another. Long as she touch my lips and fingers, fuck it, we swingers. Cause it's Jane to keep me sane for what the world gon' bring us. Can make a blind man see and forget his doctor's appointment. For her sheer enjoyment, I even risk unemployment. Can it be her first name changed to Calamity? Cause it's all about the law in my car. They grabbing me, harassing me, asking me where this shit come from. Having me see a counselor asking questions, it's plumb dumb. Trying to steal my love, so now I'm constantly taking shit. Cause now 3 times a week they wanna test our relationship. Shit.
Jane, I need a hair change. Coochie hair flame colored, sweet little red things. She riddled every area of my brain with deep tickles. Mary, Mary that carries my pain. No an angel.